Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Bank of America customized cash card step by step clearly. To activate your Bank of America customized cash card, start by locating your card in its envelope. Make sure to have your card number handy. Next, visit the Bank of America website on your computer or mobile device. Once on the website, navigate to the Sign In section. If you already have an online banking account, log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on Enroll to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information to set up your online banking account. After logging in, look for the Account Services tab. Select Activate Your Card from the drop-down menu. Enter the last 4 digits of your card number when prompted. You may also need to provide additional personal information for verification. Once verified, your card activation will be processed. You should receive a confirmation message showing that your card has been activated. If you prefer, you can also activate your card by calling customer service. Dial the number on the back of your card to reach Bank of America's customer service. Follow the automated instructions provided during the call. Once completed, your card will be activated instantly. Now you are ready to use your Bank of America customized cash card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.